Are you getting this Microsoft usual C++ error message? And if you want to resolve it, then watch this video till then, because I am going to give you the best solution. First of all, you need to temporarily disable antivirus program and see the issue get fixed or not. And in temporary disabling the antivirus program, follow the upcoming steps. First of all, you need to open command prompt in Windows search. You need to type command prompt, and you need to right click here and click on run as administrator. Herein you need to run two commands. First one, sfc Scannow, and you just need to enter the command. So enter sfc/scannow and press on enter. And that second command, dism online cleanup image and restore health, and just press on enter and complete this process to complete. After running all these commands, you need to press Windows and R, and you need to type in regedit and open this registry edit. Here you need to follow this path. I will share you this path in the video description. You just paste this path: HK local machine software classes installer products, and here you will get these products, and you need to check them one by one. You need to check product name, and you see showing Microsoft, so you need to look for Microsoft Visual C++. So check each one of them. You can see it's showing in here Microsoft Visual C++. So you need to do one thing: just right click here and click on delete button, and check others as well. You can see this is also showing Microsoft, so you need to check each one of them and delete all the keys which showing product name Visual C++. So make sure to delete all of them one by one. So the next step is to go to the control panel in your system. So just go to the control panel, click on uninstall a program, and herein you need to look for this Microsoft Visual C++, and you can see all these versions. You need to uninstall each one of them. Right click on this, click on uninstall. So you install both of them or all the versions. If you're showing 4, 5, 6, uninstall each one of them. After that, you need to go to this link. I will share you this link in the video description. This is the official website of Microsoft, and you need to scroll down and download it for your system, whether it is 86-bit or 64-bit. I have 64-bit, so I will click on this one and download this once again, Microsoft Visual C++. So I hope, friends, now you will be able to resolve this issue, and after following all the steps, make sure to restart your PC and check whether you are getting this error message or not. And if you still face any problem, you can comment below and I will definitely give you a reply. So if you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button and also subscribe my channel for upcoming videos.